Hi and welcome to another C tutorial. In today's class we're going to talk about assignment operators. So let's have a look at what we call assignment operators. So normally we use the equal sign for basic assignment. So as you can see here in my example program, I've got a variable that I've declared here. It's an integer variable called x, and it's equal to 5. And this is where we sometimes use the assignment operator for initialization of variables when we declare them. We also do assignment when we do some calculations. So if I create another variable called calc, and then what we can do is we can say calc is equal to x plus y. And what we effectively are doing here is we are assigning a new value to calc, the variable, and that new value that we are assigning to it is going to be x plus y. Now the assignment operator works in the following fashion, that what's on the left is going to get a new value in terms of what is on the right. And unfortunately C programming does not work as follows, where we have x plus y is equal to calc. We don't do it this way around, not like in normal mathematics where we were used to do everything on the left and then say equal to on the right. Okay, so C programming is not the same as the normal mathematical equations. So it's very important, whatever is on the left will be equal to what's on the right. Okay, so on the right hand side is where we can do our calculations. So just to prove to you that it is working, let's go and create a printf statement, and we're going to say the answer is, and then we're going to use a %d to display the answer, and I'm just going to say calc. So now if we save this and we run this program, let's just get the output there, you will see the answer is 7, and 5 plus 2 is indeed 7. So that's our basic assignment operator. Now if we go one step further, what we can do is we can use the plus equal, minus equal, multiply equal, divide equal, and mod equal. So remember, the difference between mod and divide is divide will divide the two values and give you the actual divided value with comma values, whereas the mod gives you basically the remainder, or what we call what's left over if we divide. So if we have 5 divided by 2, the remainder would be 1. Okay, so 2 goes into 5 2 times, and what's left is 1. So that is what we do with mod. So now you can see that we've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mod that we use in conjunction with our assignment operator. So how do this work? So let me show you. So if we take away this calc variable, we don't need it. And for instance, when we need to quickly do equations and we know that it's only this a certain value plus this value, we can then go and store that very quickly. So for instance, if we say x is equal to plus equal y, what will happen here is we will basically go and say x, the new value of x will become x plus y. So the new value of x would be then the addition of itself plus y. And let's quickly go and see if that is indeed the case. So you will see here x plus equal y will give us 7. So as you can see, it says x is plus equal y, so itself plus the y, then x will become that new value. So we store everything directly into x after we've done the equation. And now this will be exactly the same for minus equal. Just to do that as well, So minus equal, we will get x, the new value of x will be x minus y. Okay, so 5 minus 2 gives us 3, so x has a new value of 3. And then let's quickly, it's going to be exactly the same for multiplication and division, but let's quickly do the mod, and just to see that we get the remainder. So x mod y, so 5 divided by 2, what's the remainder? Okay, we know it's going to be 1, but let's just see if that is also true, and you will see 5 divided by 2, the remainder is going to be 1, and we store the remainder inside x. So that is what we do with assignment operators, how we use it. The normal one is our equal assignment operator, and these ones are just extra for quick functionality and quick calculations. That's it. I hope you've learned something, and until the next one.